What's up guys, welcome back to Tech Phantom, and in this video we are going to talk about the Realme GT 5G phone which is going to launch in India today and what will be its pricing, specification and the availability and also the pre-booking offers. So if you are new here, then consider subscribing to our channel Tech Phantom by hitting that red subscribe button and also that bell icon so you never miss an update from us, and also help us reaching out as our 1000 subscribers goal. So now that I've done that, let's get started. So very first thing, let's talk about the specification of the Realme GT 5G. And in the China, the Realme GT was launched a couple of months back, and from there this phone will be the same as that phone only, and it will feature a 6.43 inch of full HD plus AMOLED display, and which will also offer a high refresh rate of up to 120 Hz refresh rate. Now this will be going to a direct competition to the Mi 11X Pro and also the iQOO 7 Legend, and also by the processor also it will feature a Qualcomm Snapdragon's flagship processor, which is the Snapdragon 888 5G chipset, and we can also expect a maximum storage of this phone up to 12GB of RAM with the 256GB of internal storage. The base storage will be of minimum of 8GB RAM or the 6GB of RAM with minimum storage of 128GB of storage. On the camera side, on the back, we have a triple camera setup with a primary camera of 64 megapixel and an 8 megapixel of ultra wide camera. The third one is going to be just for the numbers, and it is a macro camera of 2 megapixels. For the selfie lovers, it will have a punch hole selfie camera of 16 megapixel in the front itself, and it will not be a dual punch hole selfie camera. Now the battery of this phone will also be a decent one at 4500 milliamp battery, which will support up to a 65 watt of Realme Dart charging, and it will be a very fast charging when compared to the competition in this price segment and also the overall. The phone has been expected to be launching at rupees around 35,000 or the 36,000 rupees for the base variant of 8 plus 128GB of model, and 40,000 rupees for 12 plus 256 storage. It will also be available in colors in blue glass and yellow color, which will be the vegan leather case, which we have also seen on the Realme X7 Pro series. Now, not only this, the Realme might also end up launching its Realme Book and the Realme Pad, which has also been indicated in my Twitter handle. So if you like this video, then consider subscribing to our channel Tech Phantom and also hit that bell icon so you never miss an update from us. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the very next one.